Hey guys, what's up? It's Emily here. Today we're going to be trying the new InstaMask from Vantage Personal Care. So as we've seen in the past, face masks have totally taken over the beauty and personal care world. So this mask is a clay-based mask, which is dry at first in little beads. So it's kind of a DIY mask that you can do at home, do yourself, personalize it to your own needs, whatever you need for your skin. So it comes in this little single size like this, or you can get it in bulk where you can actually measure it out depending on what your needs are for that day. So whether it's a spot treatment or your T-zone or your entire face. So we're going to start by pouring these into a bowl. So as we pour it in, we can see they're little gray beads made out of kaolin clay, which has really great cleansing properties for your face. It's also 95% natural, so that adds to the whole appeal of the mask. So next we're going to add our water. So we're just going to pour that right over top, and you can see right away the beads start to absorb the water, totally hydrating. And we're actually going to let that sit for 2 minutes just so it soaks it all in and prepares a really great face mask. So while we wait for 2 minutes, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about the InstaMask. So I use tap water as my booster, but you guys can pretty much use any sort of water-based booster of your choice. So another great thing about the InstaMask is it really removes oils from your face without adding or making your skin produce more oils, which is really important to me. I have oily skin, acne-prone skin. This is a great fix. Other added benefits are the vitamin C and the aloe vera. My absolute favorite bit about this InstaMask is that it's eco-friendly. Because it does come in this dry form, it saves energy and resources. We don't have to ship water around the world. So I'm gonna go wash my face, put my hair up, and I'll be right back. So it looks like the beads have completely absorbed the water. As you guys can see, it looks smooth on top. So let's get mixing. So I'm gonna use this applicator brush, but you can really use whatever you choose. You can use a spoon, a makeup brush, a paintbrush, whatever you'd like. I'm gonna begin mixing. Oh wow, so immediately when you start mixing, the beads kind of all dissolve into one face mask. So it kind of looks like definitely clay. It's nice and thick. Wow, it looks great. Perfect. So we're just gonna stir that up. What's nice about this is you can really choose how smooth or how kind of like beady you want to keep your mask in order to increase the exfoliation of it, or have it completely smooth so it goes on sort of like silky. Great. So now that that's all mixed up, it looks like this. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand just so you guys can see the texture and so I can make sure I'm happy with it before I put it on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, that looks awesome. Sweet, so you guys can see that. Great, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my face. So I'm gonna use this little handheld mirror just to help me, or help guide me on where my face is. All right, so I'm gonna start with my forehead and sort of start first in my T-zone, and then we'll go from there. Oh wow, so I'm gonna start applying it. It goes on really smooth. So it definitely does feel like clay, because it's clay. But yeah, it's super smooth. We wanna make sure we're getting it in all like sort of one like cohesive layer, just so it doesn't clump up, which it's not, so it all dries sort of at the same time. Great, so I did my forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and get my nose now. Oh, it feels so nice going on. So if you did want to do sort of a smaller mask, you could just do your T-zone and leave it at that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my entire face. The instructions say to leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it for then, and then I'll come back. been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's already starting to dry just in some places. Like this is the last place that I applied it, so it's obviously not drying there yet, but around the edges, even on my nose, you can see the color change, and so that's how you really know that it's starting to dry. I can already feel my skin totally tightening. It still feels fresh, which is nice. Sometimes when you put masks on, especially sheet masks, they feel warm, but this one still feels cool. Every time I move, the air sort of goes through it and it leaves a really like cool but not too tingly feeling on your skin. So far it's going great. I'm gonna leave it on for about another 10 minutes and then I'll check in. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, it's pretty much completely dry. Some of these darker spots, they look a little wet, but when to the touch, they're very dry. It actually, like, you can already see that it's cracking, which definitely tells me that it's ready to take off. My skin still feels tight. It's like smooth to the touch. Yeah, I think we're ready to go. So I'm gonna go wash it off and I will be right back. All right, so I've just come back from washing the InstaMask off my face, and overall, I'm really happy with it. My skin feels really smooth, and my pores are so much smaller. It feels like it just sucked all the oil out, which is amazing. Like my skin doesn't feel oily. When I go like this, there's nothing on my hand. It's awesome. Yeah, I'm really happy with this product. I would suggest you guys go and trying it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm thrilled to hear feedback from you guys. That would be awesome. This Vantage product really, really did its job. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I will see you guys later. Bye.